We're over 2 months into this flip in Whittier, California that we bought for $250,000. And the finish line is nowhere in sight. This house has been a total disaster, and our renovation has barely stuttered forward. The latest problem? Our contractor Frank tells us we have asbestos in the heating and air ducts.
Yeah, the ducts here are wrapped with asbestos.
I have to stop work here until we get an abatement.
Asbestos, that's a terrible word. Do you know how much that's gonna run to get rid of?
We're probably looking at about $1,500.
Okay, so when can they start?
We're gonna have them in here tomorrow.
All right, sounds good, man. There's nothing we can do. This house is a certified disaster, but we need to push forward and work on getting it finished. In addition to removing all the asbestos and upgrading the home with central air, we're reconfiguring the bathroom, adding a full-size laundry room off the kitchen, and updating the plumbing and electric. All right. It's starting to look like a house. I mean, we've been working here for a long time, but it's coming together. We had new ducting, new AC, new heat, all new drywall. We have to redo the stucco on the outside. So we've actually spent a fortune here just to put the foundation of the house back together.
This is definitely one of the biggest projects we've ever encountered.
We've made a lot of progress.
Now we're back to like at the point where we normally are when we buy a house.
Yeah. All right, so we made some really big changes in here.
I hope I like them. It looks so good.
Do you remember what it was before?
Yeah, the tub was right here, which was like the weirdest thing ever. So it makes so much more sense to have the tub and the shower right there.
Right.
I feel like this house is just all about like putting things back together to make them normal.
Right, so now we have the layout. We need to figure out the design. You said you went shopping, right?
Yes, I have materials in the kitchen. Okay, I'm super excited about this design.
All right, question. Is this for bathroom or kitchen?
This is both. So, okay, I saw this tile. I absolutely fell in love with it.
Is it expensive?
It is, but I could not be more obsessed. So I basically designed everything around this. So what I was thinking, instead of using this for the entire backsplash and the entire shower, we could save money but still have high design. For example, like right here is where the microwave and the oven are gonna go.
Right.
So instead of doing that as the whole backsplash, which I kind of feel like is too busy anyways, all we do, frame it out, and just add it there.
Okay, so just an accent piece behind the stove.
Exactly.
So if this is the accent piece, what's everything else gonna be then?
Just really simple, white subway.
Okay, so white subway, accent piece behind the stove.
Right.
I love that idea. What are you thinking for bathrooms?
Well, again, since I just love this, there's only one bathroom. I think we just frame it out, do a big picture of this as well. This for the bathroom floors.
Which laminate?
The gray for sure.
So design's done. I'm gonna give Frank the information. He'll order and we'll be rocking and rolling. It's looking good, man. Christina's gonna love this. Dang, look at that.
Pretty, right?
You did a good job. This is awesome.
I love the colors.
You know what? This really pops.
There's only one bathroom, but it's super high design, so
Right.
everyone's gonna love it.
While we're finishing up with the kitchen and bathroom, we're also moving forward with the painting and landscaping. The house is getting a gray color with white trim, while in the front yard, we're doing a drought-tolerant desert design. And in the back, we're laying a combination of mulch and sod, which is geared towards kids and pets.
What is that?
Well, we made a mistake.
How?
We didn't take into consideration that the stoves that we buy have a tall back.
Yeah, but we've bought a stove before that had a low back. It was supposed to be at least another foot bigger.
Yeah, we missed it. We didn't communicate right, and this is what we got.
No, come on. We talked about the fact that we were having this be, substantial. This is dumb. This shouldn't even be here. It looks like there's something missing.
I think it looks nice. I think once the stove is in, you gotta remember, the back's gonna come up here, and the microwave comes down, so it's gonna be a nice focal point.
I totally know what it's gonna look like. It should have had the stove that didn't have the back.
Okay, but once it's grouted, you're gonna have a nice microwave, stove. I think it'll be fine.
No, I think it looks absolutely horrible.
So what do you wanna do?
I wanna rip it out and start over and buy the appropriate stove.
If we decide to do that, seriously, it's gonna be like $1,000. For what?
To have
It's not
a
gonna,
beautiful kitchen?
Is it gonna change our sales price?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, you want to rip it out? We'll rip it out.
All right, thank you.
It's hard for me to justify spending $1,000 to correct this little mistake. But ultimately, I think Christina's right, that the larger showpiece tile will help us sell this house.
This is so beautiful.
It looks gorgeous. Tay, before this was really small and Daddy wanted to leave it, but then Mommy made him make it bigger. Do you like it? Yeah. You like this kitchen, Tay? What's your favorite part?
Everything.
You want to know how much money we spent here?
500.
Close. We paid $250,000 for the house.
It's been a lot of money here.
Yeah, after staging, our rehab total is going to be about $95,000.
That's insane.
We're going to have like $20,000 in closing costs. We have a break even of $365,000.
Well, the real question is, what are the comps?
I did find one comp, just closed. It's like 3-4 blocks away, a little nicer of an area though. It sold for $470,000.
Is it fixed up?
It was a flip, brand new turnkey, 4-bedroom, 2 full bath,
Oh.
a little bit larger.
Well, that's not a very good comp. We have 1 bathroom.
Here's my thought. I think we just come in listed at $469,900.
So you want to come in as high as a comp that's 4 bedrooms and 2 baths?
That comp is gone, which means we're the newest, nicest house on the market. I do believe at the list price of $469,900 we will get offers because the house is spectacular.
That would be amazing.
It would be a good flip.
Now we just need to get the house staged, get some photos, get on the market.
Almost there.
House looks really pretty.
You know what? Never done rock landscape before. This looks awesome.
Totally works.
I'm just gonna put one more right here.
I like how we framed the flowers right here to the entrance. Gives a nice little walkway. Looks gorgeous.
Wow, that is open. Look at that.
Home sweet home.
This looks unreal.
It's a beautiful house. So the kitchen looks amazing. I'm really glad we went with this huge peninsula. Absolutely obsessed with it.
Kitchens and baths sell houses, so let's go look at our only bathroom.
Ooh la la, this bathroom is gorgeous. Buyers are gonna be obsessed with it.
All right, you ready to get started or what?
Yep, let's get ready for the open house.
Oh, wow, look at
Ooh, the
flooring. I love the floor.
Hi, come on in.
Hi, how you doing? Yeah, so I'll tell you a little bit about the house. 3-bedroom, 1 bath, completely remodeled, and we just put it on the market today for $469,900. I'd love for you guys to take a look around and let us know what you think about the design and the price.